The Juno feed pusher is a proven concept. Juno takes care of 24/7 availability of ration and therefore an optimal feed intake. This stimulates the natural behavior of cows and improves animal health. Juno saves labor time for the farmer and is easy to install and work with. Let's have a look at all the technical details. The tighter skirt increases the lifetime and reduces wear. There are service knobs to easily lift the segment and cage nuts for easy removal of the bolts. The sliding mechanism connects both segments. This strengthens the bottom part of the skirt and prevents deformation. The solid wheels are made for an optimal grip in different barn conditions and make it possible for the Juno to drive outside. The wheels are firmly tested on slippage and wear. The drive motors have an optimum performance with less power consumption and ultimately a longer lifetime. The VCB is the brain of the Juno. When connected to the Wi-Fi, the Juno can send push notifications via Lely Horizon when an unexpected alarm occurs. Software makes sure that the Juno is improved with every new update. The induction housing protects the sensors. The ultrasonic sensor is designed to follow the feed fence during feed pushing. By scanning the distance to the feed fence, the Juno can navigate through the barn without sensors in the floor at the feed fence. Left and right feed pushing makes it possible to push feed on both sides. This increases capacity and ensures feed pushing in the most optimal way. Easy installation and route settings can be done via the Lely Control Plus app. With the built-in alarm control support, the Juno gives advice on how to solve an alarm. Besides that, changes in planning or pausing the Juno can be done in just a few clicks. Dynamic feed pushing makes sure that all the feed is pushed back to the cows, even when not equally distributed over the length of the feed fence. With dynamic feed pushing, the Juno adjusts itself in case of a change in the daily feeding routine, automatically driving closer to the feed fence when there is less feed detected. With the Juno, Lely has taken the automatic feed pushing solution to a next level, making Lely farms more sustainable, enjoyable, and profitable.